being into stock market, I'll just brief about the company. Spider is serving the stock market industry from last 25 years. We are providing technical analysis tools, strategies, financial market related products to stock market industry from last 25 years. So today I am here to show my product. Basically, the need of algo and need of a proper strategy is there in current market scenario. Why? Because it's like whenever you are using a specific strategy, whenever you are having a specific setup, then you can have a trading will be more powerful, trading will be more without glitch, trading will be more without fear, emotion, psychological barriers. So for those who are active traders, for those who are daily trading into the market, for them set up a perfect strategy and a technical platform. These three things are very much important. My today's subject is, do you have a minute? I think that will give you an idea that everybody will have a time to trade in the market. Everybody will have a proper psychological thing when he wants to trade in the market. But you need a proper strategy, which I correctly said. So my today's strategy is based on, it is a 1 minute strategy. That's why it is said as like, do you have a minute, guys? Let's move ahead. Before going towards the strategy, you all people knows like last 2-3 years, SEBI is showing all the data like why retailers are losing money. 93% retail traders manually trading are making the loss. You all know this, correct? But why people lose the money? These are the important points. Whenever I am trading, I'll be having more greedy. Like today market is volatile. Let's do a trading with 10 lots. My risk appetite is not based on trading with the 10 lots. My risk appetite is only with the 2 lots. But today I thought, let me explore the market. Let me test the market with 10 lots. So that's the greed. Second thing is fear. You have a perfect setup. You have kept the stop loss of 5%, but suddenly some bad news came. So with that fear, what you try to do is, whatever your trades are open with a specific strategy, you want to cut those trades. So manually what you will do, you will trade it manually. But whenever you will have a perfect setup, you will have to believe it, not to go against that setup or against that belief. Third is over trading. Many people do this. Today I have earned 10,000 rupees on my 2 lakh rupees capital. Still, the person wants to trade more. He wants to capture the market momentums, and whenever next 2 trades he will make a loss, then today's hard-earned profit will end up in loss. So people are habit of doing over trading also, greed also, fear also. They are specifically becoming impatient and indisciplined. So these are all 5 major reasons which people faces while doing their intraday tradings. Now let's move to my algo strategy. Again, before moving to algo strategy, these are some statistics. Out of 100 traders, 93% people are making loss. Then out of 7% who are making profit, from the 7% of the traders, 90% are not the manual traders, they are the algo traders. They are not putting orders through manual trading. They are using all algos. Let's move to my strategy. Now I say you, my strategy is based on 1 minute time frame. Can you see the chart? This is 1 minute time frame. On intraday 1 minute time frame, on intraday 5 minute time frame confirmation, I made some strategy. I have the reports of those strategies for last 6 months. Whatever trades has been happened in last 6 months, I'll show it now after this PPT, after this presentation. First, let's concentrate on the strategy. Now this is the entire strategy which I made on different time frame. The basic entry setup is on 1 minute time frame. The confirmation is on 5 minute time frame, and there are a lot of other indicators has been clubbed together to form one buy signal. So almost 13 condition has been taken care for forming one buy signal. After this entry signal, your RMS settings are coming to the picture, that whenever the trade will have, what will be your risk management. So the first target is given, second target is given, and third target is given. In that, lot size has been kept as 6 to 8 lots. In this particular strategy, I kept 8 lots and SL is 6%. Now, depending upon your capital, depending upon your risk appetite, you can put the number of lots and you can customize your targets and stop loss. It depends upon how much trading capital you want to deploy in every particular trade. So this is the option buying strategy applied for the Friday's market, I think. Yeah. Thursday's market, and the replay has been shown. So according to the segment level setting, the positions will be taken every time You can see 8 lots are getting traded, and depending upon that, profit and loss will happen. Now the advantage over this complete platform is my strategy is optimized. It has been tested over last 6 months rigorously. We have n number of strategies with us, but specifically this strategy is tested for last 6 months. I have reports for those strategies. I'll show it to you. We have made with 6 lots. We have made 3,55,500 rupees with this strategy in last 6 months. Now this entire strategy, how it will function is, whenever these buy signals will satisfy, I'll have to define in which expiry I have to trade, first expiry, second expiry, in the money contracts, at the money contracts I can set it, and depending upon that, the risk management setup will take care of your entire automation. So this is how you can take advantage of a complete algo platform, a complete algo solution in whichever segment you want to trade, whether it is equity, future, options buying, option selling. We have n number of strategies for all the segment. You can deploy your strategy, you can test this. We have a free trial version for this product which you can use. You can plug in into your trading account, you can add your trading account, you can take a trial, and you can test my strategy also, or you can deploy your strategy also. A lot of people have their own conditions, own parameters, own technical setups. They can deploy those setups easily in my strategy builder. In query module, you can deploy, you can put any condition depending upon any indicator on any time frame, and you can club combining all those technical parameters. You can have one single buy signal, one single entry signal. So depending upon a perfect setup, you can win maximum times. That is what my main point is today. With the help of algorithmic trading, with the help of automated trading, with the help of this entire automation, you will not face those first 5 reasons of with which people are making losses. What are those 5 points? Fear, greed, impatience, over trading. All these things will be taken care automatically by your algo platform. And you can ask us, you can have a demo session request place over there, and anything can be discussed over there in person. For demos you can scan this, or for demos you can have a record these numbers. Anyone who wants to have an interest in taking a demo, they can note down these numbers. Thank you.